always been one of my favorite layovers, but now I'm here with my family, and this week I'm going to show you the top 5 activities to do with your kids next time you're in the Eternal City.
Come on, Dad, let's go.
Let's go. Number 5 on the list is the Torre Argentina Cat Sanctuary. The historic ruins is home to over 100 cats. They're not strays, however. Volunteers look after the cats, make sure they're up to date on their vaccinations, spay and neuter them, and help them find their forever home. The cat sanctuary is also where Julius Caesar met his untimely demise. So you're not just playing I Spy with My Little Eye, you're doing so at one of the world's most historic sites.
It looks at me. Ciao, kitty. Ciao.
Number 4. Villa Borghese. One of Rome's biggest parks, is a great place for your kids to burn off some energy, take in some city views, or you can do what we did and rent an electric assisted Surrey bike. Number 3. Climb to the top of St. Peters Basilica. It's only €8 and an easy 551 steps to the top. But for an extra €2 per person, you can take the elevator, which eliminates over 200 of those steps. Bring cash because they weren't accepting cards the day we were there. And if you get claustrophobic, be warned that the stairway is quite narrow in some places, but once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with one of the best views of the Eternal City. Before you leave, stop by the gift shop on the roof, and you can send a postcard from the highest mailbox in the smallest country in the world, Vatican City. Number 2. Take a pasta making class with a real Italian chef. We found Alessandro's experience on Airbnb, and it was without a doubt one of the best parts of our trip. We met him at the Pantheon, and he brought us into his home and showed us how to make ravioli and fettuccine, and afterward we shared a meal, some wine, and most importantly, our kids learned that pasta doesn't just come from a box. Cheers! And now the number 1 activity to do with your kids in Rome, the secret keyhole. The secret keyhole is located in Aventine Hill. Behind the giant green door is the Knights of Malta's extraterritorial property, which means that the country of Malta is directly behind the gate. What's even cooler than that is the view you get when you look through.
It's so cool.
The garden is perfectly aligned with Vatican City in the distance, and so you're actually seeing 3 countries at one time when you look through the keyhole: Malta, Italy, and Vatican City. So there you have it, your guide to Rome with kids. I hope this helped you. If you know of any other cool places in Rome that would be good for a kid, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.